Today we've got a stimulating topic, the health benefits of coffee. Yeah, that's right. Coffee isn't just a delicious morning ritual, but it is also packed with some surprising perks for your well-being. Stick around to know more. First up, let's talk about brain-boosting benefits of coffee. Did you know that coffee contains caffeine, that is a natural stimulant? Yes, it works wonders for enhancing your mental alertness and concentration. Coffee is loaded with antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage. These antioxidants have been linked to reduce the risk of certain diseases like heart disease and some types of cancer. The caffeine in coffee can increase adrenaline levels, giving you a natural energy boost, making it a fantastic pre-workout drink. Plus, it can help you burn fat by boosting your metabolic rate. Coffee and exercise? Now that's a win-win combination. So there you have it, 3 incredible benefits of coffee that go beyond the caffeine kick. If you enjoyed learning about these benefits, subscribe to TheHealthSite.com.